esitsho mamela ngondike ndathi phezolo ndake ndavula le nto kwento zivulwa ndamamela unkomfa uthi unkomfa, but by the grace of God I am what I am, which was bestowed upon me was not in vain, but I labored more abundantly that all of them, yet not I, but the grace of God that is within me. It is this saving grace. Womfana kankomfa yakhayisa yakhayisa mkhulu nkabi imbukumbuku udwele utyekisela ubabalo lukaThixo ngoba ubabalo lukaThixo yatyalisa lwesiduka ubabalo lukaThixo ikhayisela kwekwe ikidile nto ile nto kiyo ngenxa yababalo lukaThixo. I don't care what you say, but I know the saving grace.
Madiba.
Lastly, the third category of this grace you find in the Holy of Holies. The third category. Understand. You must understand. Especially the music people. Because in order for you to understand this grace, you must be a technocrat of music. This grace, it is like it is like this grace. Ukubanda usebenzisa igama elikhulu lesingisi mhlawumbe zange ulive kodwa uzohambe nami ngizakuzama ukucacisela. This grace, I said to you, there's a prevenient grace. I said to you, there's salvation grace. The third one, in the Holy of Holies, it is called the syncopatic grace. It is called the syncopatic grace. The musicians know this term. In music, it is like syncopation in music, which involves the variety of rhythms. It involves the variety of rhythms which are somewhat not expected. When you want to this syncopation, a seat, Tanlango 260. When the congregation is in that rhythm, in that mood of the rhythm, uzawuvanga ngoba ungazwa ukujikwa intoni na sevuma ingoma ezi ngoma zakhe thina ngoma zangova kunezi ngoma ngabe uyakhensa umntu ngabe ligqirha ungazi into yokubana where did this rhythm change? It is syncopacy, a change unexpected. Unexpected, a grace that changes everything without you knowing. It is syncopatic. It's a syncopatic grace. They slow. Syncopatic. This is the grace that is unexpected. When you say, I've tried everything, I've given up, out of the blue, it is the grace that just pops up unexpectedly. Away. Atumkosa. Kaya bezangol fefe. Atum unofana vele. Ubabalo. Unofana vele. Inde vele kamu genje. Ungazukuti tolagala kuphi. Utubu so sitting yekile ngamile. Muvelo Ubabalo lukaThixo. That's what has happened to this year. The syncopacy of the grace of God. My son,